off. His arraignment comes after a barrage of evidence was unsealed that portrayed Larry Millete as a desperate husband bent on stopping his wife from divorcing him. News 8's Richard Allen takes a look at what lies ahead in court.
Well, that's right. Larry Millete, who's being held here without bail, will have his first chance to answer to that first-degree murder charge, as well as the weapons possession charge he faces tomorrow in court.
I'd happily prosecute this, and I prosecuted for about 15 years. They've got a lot of evidence against him in this particular case.
Defense attorney Michael Cardoza points out that while the evidence unveiled in the arrest warrant for Larry Millete is circumstantial, from texts and other messages to cell phone records to GPS coordinates to home security video, it is nonetheless powerful.
So a lot of people think, oh, it's just circumstantial. No. That is very, very strong evidence.
Looking ahead to Milliete's trial, Cardoza also points out that the process of jury selection could be impacted by the amount of evidence that's already been shared with the public.
It's going to affect people's minds about this case, and I can almost guarantee you there are some people out there that have already made up their mind that he is guilty.
While potential jurors who know about the case would not be disqualified, those who've already formed an opinion would be.
And you know the type of publicity this is getting in the county. Everybody knows about it.
For that reason, Cardoza is confident Milliete's defense will request a change of venue.
Whether it will be granted, of course, will be up to the judge.
Also unclear whether Maya and Larry Milliete's children may be called on to testify.
It's likely that at least one, if not both, of the children, of the older children, will testify.
Attorney and former district attorney Paul Fink says that while this can be difficult, depending on what the children know, it could be crucial to the case.
Now, I've been through this situation before. Do we have to use the kids? Do the kids have to testify against dad? Do they have to be cross-examined about all this stuff? If there's a way to avoid it, of course, we want to avoid it, but it may be unavoidable.
And News 8 has learned that the children are currently staying with Larry Milliete's parents. Also, if you'd like to take a look at the arrest warrant for Larry Millete, just go to CBS8.com, click on the online version of this story.